Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set automatic keyguard on the Nokia 105. So the first thing you want to do is press the middle button to get to the menu, and you want to come all the way down till you get to the settings here, and then we want to go into that. Now we're in the settings, you want to come all the way down to phone settings here, and then press the middle button again to go into that. Then you want to come down one to keyguard settings. We want to press the middle button again to go into that. And you can see here, automatic keyguard is currently off. So we can press that. And then we can come up to press on. And we press the middle button again. Now here, you can set the time delay. So these are, the first one is the hours. And the second one is the seconds. So say you want to delay it, so the automatic keyguard comes on after 10 seconds, and you press OK. Now you've set the automatic keyguard. So after 10 seconds this phone should go into lock and the automatic keyguard should kick in. As you can see, it goes black and then goes completely off. And when you press any buttons, as you can see, the Nokia 105 is locked. So we press the power button, and then we press the top left hand button here to unlock. And now you've unlocked it. So that's how to set the automatic keyguard. If you want to set a code to unlock the phone, then check out this video here. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.